Short eyes and long eyes. What are they? What are they? What are they actually? What is a short eye? Yeah? You might not be aware of the fact that English features both short and long vowels, and it's extremely important for you to be able to make a clear distinction between them. Let's have a look at how this thing works. This is a phonemic chart. It basically represents all the sounds that exist in the English language. So it's separated into different sections: vowel sounds at the top in gray and consonant sounds at the bottom. You will learn how to use this in time. For now, I would just like you to look at the top left corner of this chart. The first symbol that you see in there, that is like a little eye with two little dots, is called the long I. And the long I is pronounced like this: E, seat, beat, meat. The second symbol you can see just to its right is called a short I. And a short I is pronounced just like this: I, bit, kit, sit. As you can see, those two sounds are completely different things, and they are used for different words and different purposes. So you need to be extremely careful to use them in the right spot. Let's hear them another time. E, I. The long I is very long, and the short I is, well, very, very short, obviously. You need to be very careful in the way that they're not just of different length, but they're also different in terms of the sound itself. Thank you very much for being with us today. No, not with us. It's just me basically, so. Yeah. Thank you very much for watching this video. Hope to see you soon, guys. Bye.